Hey everyone, it's Carrie over at Double Click. Welcome back to my craft room. Today I received happy mail from Sharon over at Cheap to Chic. I will link her channel down below. It came in this big box. All I have done is popped it open. I am still sitting on my floor because I'm doing some construction work in my craft room. So let's dig into this box. The first thing we have is this cute Valentine's Day bag. I did just see a video on this. She used the ruffle trim die. It looks so nice in this pretty tulle. She has flowers up here. She backed it. Very nice. Little lollipop. Love my candy. And then she also had some shred inside the bag. And it looks like, I wonder if there's something in this little envelope. Yes, inside this little envelope she has a little kiss me sticker. So cute. That's so tiny. Thank you. Here she sent me this roll of, oh, that's so sweet. It's a roll of thank yous and it says, for supporting my small business. That is just the super cutest. This is so great for my dewdrops. Thank you so much for those. I will put these on all of my dewdrop bags. Thank you. I love that. It's so generous and thoughtful. In here we have this white bag and it's snaps, colored ones. Thank you. I only had like white and a couple of pinks, and she sent me other colors. These are awesome. I can't wait to use other colors in my projects. Ribbons, and I'm so excited. I could not find the Dollar Tree hearts. I found one. I don't remember which color it was, but that was the only one I could find. Thank you so much for that. And then we have this pretty striped Valentine's Day ribbon. I love those. Here we have some foam hearts. These are really nice, thick ones. I did not get any of these this year. I love that it has this teal color in there. These are awesome. Thank you. Another roll of ribbon, the red hearts. I love them so much. Here we have some wooden tags. Thank you for those. Here we have some bunny picks. These are so cute. I don't have any of these. Thank you. And then we have these little felt finger puppets from Valentine's Day. Look at how cute that one is. So cute. These are cute to make and add to Happy Mail. Here we have some boxes, snack holders. These are so fun. These are great for junk journaling too. We have these really nice vintage bags. I am in love with these. I'm gonna put some of these in my bag drawer and some of them in my vintage drawer. Love those so much. This looks like you could fold this up and make a box, probably a treat box. Those are so fun. Thank you for those. Looking forward to making them. And maybe this is my note. Let's take a look. I know what that is. This is an envelope die. Thank you. I'm definitely going to check this out and let you know. And then she sent this cute tag. I love that you did this on Valentine's Day paper. Here we have some paper clips. These are cute. I don't have these. Cute. And then we have these clear pouches. These are great for Happy Mails. And I think I might put one of these in my car. A couple of clear pouches. I've seen these at the dollar store. Mine only carry the red color. These are great for Happy Mail. Here's a pouch. It says cool. Very fun. This one that says stuff and it has stuff inside. Let's take a look. In here we have, oh, these are stamps. I totally shaved my legs for you. How fun is that? And this one is keeping you. Look at those. I met you, I liked you, I love you, I'm keeping you. That's cute. I've never seen these before. I walked through fire for you. Well, not fire because it's dangerous, but super humid room, but not humid because of my hair. Oh my gosh, these are hilarious. I love that. Thank you for those. These are so fun. Let's take a look. Look at how nice this is. This is like the vinyl. That is so nice. And in glitter and pink glitter like that. Those two. Wow, these are awesome. They're so nice and thick. And I have lots of big dies that I could run these through my machines and make things out of them, and bows. Thank you so much for sharing these. I don't have anything like this. Thank you so much. I love them so much. And then we have these super cute gift tags. I didn't know that the Target still sells these. They're so cute. Thank you. Here we have a little Ziploc bag full of stickers. They are so cute. Candy ones. Jar bag is adorable. And here we have this pouch, one of the dollar store bags. I only saw my store had the small ones. Let's take a look at what's inside. Looks like a lot of goodies in here. We have some magnetic bookmarkers, the little belly band. These are Post-it notes. I love those. Have some planner stickers. These are nice colors. Post-it notes. These are fun. I love them. Little banner clips. So cute. A couple of stickers. And then we have some note paper. These are cute. Some undated monthly planners. I think this will fit into my binder that I have already. Let's take a look. Here are the dividers. They're so pretty. And then we have some planner stickers. Cute. Gold foiling, so cute. Thank you. We have this bag of baggies. These are the nice thick ones that you can use for jewelry. These are really nice ones. I did not get these. I ended up getting the cheapy ones. These are so nice. I'll probably put some of these with my travel kit as well. And we have this super cute strawberry pencil case. I love strawberries. I love fruit things. And inside we have some felt stickers. Those are fun. Some more of the foam ones. These cute wood clips that match those tags. They're cute. Some of these wax seals, just because, thinking of you. Those are so cute. I didn't get these ones. They're fun. Thank you. Wow, this box is never ending. We have another pouch, and inside we have a fuzzy pen, a pom-pom pen. That's cute. That's like a jelly on top. Let's see what's inside. I have these heart picks. I don't have those. They're fun. I love those. Some red hearts, which I couldn't find. Thank you. Some white hearts, and I'm excited that I will have so many in my stash. Some heart hair ties. Flower bags. I use these all the time. These adorable bows. I love those. Going right in my bow drawer. And then we have some cute pens. Bring them to work with me. We have this big bag, and it looks like a bag of bags, which I love my bags. And inside we have these beautiful pink ones. Oh, and there's some clear ones back there. I didn't get any of the pinks. Some sacks. These are so awesome. And then we have some bigger clear ones. And then we have all of these sacks, which I don't have any of those. I love that one. Then we have these fancy ones. Would make good for a unicorn swap. These bags, which are awesome. I love them. And then we have some cellophane ones. These are Easter. Look at how cute those are. So cute. Thank you for all of those bags. Put them all in my stash. Hoard them forever. We have this one. We have some of the pom-pom garland. I didn't get any of this stuff. None of it. And in the red. Love that. And then we have Valentine's words. Kiss and the XO. Great for packaging. And we have this last big package. It is the Photo Play Love Story. This is amazing. I love this so much. It is the cutest collection ever. It has the Nomies, and it's got the blue and the teal colors. Thank you so much. I don't have any like paper kits that match. And then in here with it was the ephemera. Oh, look at that. It's so cute. And the little hearts. Those are so cute. Sharon, thank you so much. You have spoiled me. I love every single thing. You're so generous and you're so sweet. I'm so grateful that we are friends. Thank you guys so much for stopping by, and have a great day.